Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to use my tiny homes community a financial model to create your pro forma financial projections quickly and easily. So the way the video is going to work out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we're then going to go ahead and go through my pro forma financial projection model that is customized for the tiny homes community. I'm going to show you how to use it. And then at the end of the day, the pro forma financial projections that it'll create, which is your 12-month profit and loss statement and your annual projections for the next 5 years. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do need some assistance in writing your own business plan, you don't want to mess around with the fun and excitement of writing your own plan or using a template, you just want it professionally done, then pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, and my email. My contact information is right here. Love to do it for you. Other services that I do offer is mentoring services. So if you're looking to start or grow your business, I can provide some mentoring services in that aspect. And then also I do financial projections. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those numbers are tripping you up, I'd be delighted to help you in that respect. I am also a published author. Check me out on Amazon.com. And then finally, I have some education backing up my thoughts and ideas for my business plan writing, my financial models, and my templates. I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. All right, so with that said and done, so let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is my tiny homes community financial model. So if you do purchase my template, my tiny homes business plan template, it does come with a Word document, which is right here. So it does come with a Word document right here, and I've got a separate tutorial for this, and then also this financial model right here. So when you do buy it, and also at the end of the video, I'll give you all a link to go ahead and purchase this if you're interested. But when you do purchase it and you download it and you've got your Word document and then the Excel model, the Excel model is going to look like this. It's going to have 4 tabs. It's going to have your information page, and this is where all the darker colored cells, this is where you're going to plug in your information. And then we've got the projections tab, which is just a summary of all your projections, your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months, and then also your income statement for the next 5 years. So with this right here on the informations tab, I've got it broken into a revenue section. Here you can go ahead and enter the number of homes that you're going to be leasing out weekly, the average weekly rent, and the variable cost. Right here is going to be your operating days per week. You're going to want to leave that at 1 because I've structured this for you to have weekly sales. Typically, tiny home communities, when they lease out their areas, they're going to do it on a weekly basis. The next section is going to be your labor, how much you want to pay yourself. I've got it here, $3,000. And then how many employees you're going to have, their rate of pay. And then if you're going to be working your employees full-time, 40 hours a week, then your monthly hours would be $172. Next section is going to be your startup cost. The first 2 lines is going to be your investment. So how much money how much money are you going to be investing to get this party started? Your equity investment will be the first line, and then if you're going to take out a loan, that'll be your second line right here. So your total funding for this example is $1 million. And then when you start breaking out in your costs and you start allocating your funds, your $1 million, you're going to do that down here in this section here. Just make sure the total startup cost of $1 million adds up to your total investment. These 2 lines right here should not be changed. They will, if changing these titles right here will impact your financial statements. You want to do that. But you can change the dollar amount. For example, initial build out, if it's not $895,000, you can put whatever number you want in there. And then I also have these categories down here. You can change the titles to these categories as well as the dollar amount. Then just again, you want to make sure that your investment costs, your equity investment, and your loan equal up to the funds that you have allocated. The next section is going to be your fixed cost. If you're going to be leasing instead of buying, then you can put your lease payment here. Utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, legal, advertising, and other. You go ahead and put that information there. Once done, your monthly total will add up down here. For taxes, I estimate a 20% tax rate. You can change that to whatever you like. For growth rates for the first 5 years, this is your sales revenue growth rates right here. And then the cost below that is going to be your cost growth rates for your labor, your salary, your advertising, and such. So these are for your cost. So the first 5 lines are for your revenues, and then the rest of the lines are for your cost. The next section is going to be your loan amount. So if you are going to take out a loan, so if you're going to take out a loan, you're going to populate it right here, put the dollar amount here. It will automatically populate down here. Then all you have to do is change the interest rate and change your term. And once you do that, your financial projections, your payment will be calculated and your financial projections will be updated accordingly. So once you go ahead and you just make these few changes right here to update your financials, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and copy your financial projections, whether it be for your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months broken up quarterly, or your income statement. You're going to want to copy it. And then you're going to want to put that information into your business plan. So you'll want to go to the Word document section of the business plan. Pro forma income statement, you want to line it up with your profit and loss statements as well. But you'll get rid of the old document and you hit Control V, and you'll then update your pro forma income statement with your new numbers. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. It's pretty straightforward. Just change in the darker colored cells with your information, your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months updates, as well as your income statement. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, if you do purchase my Tiny Homes Community Business Plan template, it does come with a Word document, which is covered in a separate tutorial, and then it also comes with the basic financial model, which I just covered in this tutorial. There are some limitations to the template. First and foremost, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and also it is not compatible with Apple products. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, you want to talk to me about the template before you buy, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation, answer any questions you have before you purchase the template. After you purchase the template, if you've got questions about my Tiny Homes Business Plan template, I do offer paid phone support, so there is a fee. It's broken into 30-minute segments, and if you want the price for that, it would be at this link right here. If you are interested in buying this template, you just go to this link right here and check out the information. If you want some tutorials, I do offer free tutorials, and you can get the tutorials before or after you buy the template. Just go to this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates, you just want your business plan written by a professional, visit my website right here on this link, and I do provide custom business plan writing services for clients. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money. Thank you.